In this video, we will show you how to copy table from image using Snipping Tool, the newest version that has the ability to copy the table format from the image that we take from the screenshot or from the image that we download. In here, we will try to open a browser and get some table from Google. For example, Excel table. And usually we have important data on the image, but it's take too long when we copy or we creating from the scratch the table. Okay, maybe it take sometimes, but using the snipping tool with the newest version, you can just copy the table very easy even from the image. You can see I open my snipping tool here. Okay, you can go to your search bar and type snipping tool. If you don't find, then click new. In here we can just make the copy like this. For example, rather than we type one by one this data, it's very easy if we are using the snipping tool newest version. Click the text actions. Okay, and you can copy as table. Now we can copy this table into the word processor like Microsoft Word on Google Documents. Okay, for example, I will using the online office, and let's creating a new document. And in here, let's try to paste with Ctrl plus V button on your keyboard. Voila, you can see here. Okay, the donation, donor ID, type, method, status, amount, date. You can see all data has been copied very easy. Okay, I will remove this and try to download another table. For example, in here, I will remove this and get new image. For example, this simple one. Okay, let's screenshot using snipping tool again. Click new. For example, like this, and this is with the header. Let's see this works or not. Click text actions and copy as table. Now we can Ctrl plus V button in here to see. Oh, you can see it works also with the header. Okay, but the header is appear the border. You can just styling to make this table similar. And how you can get the latest version of the snipping tools? It's very easy. You can just open your Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 and just go to your library here on the bottom left corner and select snipping tool. Just find the snipping tool here. You can click this, and when in here there is update button, it will automatically update, and you can go to this downloads process, and the process will something look like this. Okay, you can click update, and you can get the snipping tool for the latest version. Hope this video helpful for you.